Hi, my name is Anthony Daly, and I'm the engineering manager with Lenexa Manufacturing Company. Today I'd like to show you the key features of our Model PDSL, or what's better known as a product sealer. This machine closes polyethylene bags by creating a 3/16 inch wide seal close to the product using electric heating elements. It receives products on a horizontal conveyor. As product travels on the conveyor, the open end of the bag is pulled into the machine using a customer-supplied brush unit mounted here and both timing and Teflon belts. The bag passes over two heating elements, which are sandwiched between two Teflon belts, which melt the bag and seal it together. After the seal has been made, a rotating disc blade is used to trim off the excess bag material. The excess bag material is removed from the sealer using a vacuum system. The disc blade can also be turned off, which will leave the entire bag intact. The speed of the machine is variable, which allows users to match the speed of the conveyor belt carrying the product and is capable of speeds of up to 120 feet per minute. Along with adjustable speed, the temperature can also be adjusted for speed and thickness of the bags. This machine comes in right and left-hand configurations, along with both tall and short configurations. The short machine can move the sealing plane from 28 to 35 inches, while the tall machine is capable of moving from 33 to 40 inches. This height adjustment is made by using a hydraulic lift system with an easy-to-turn hand crank. All removable guards are made of stainless steel and use safety sensors to stop the machine should a guard be opened during operation. The head can be tilted up, which also will stop the operation of the machine and allow operators to clean and clear any product buildup. A plunger is used to prevent the head from slamming closed, preventing operator injury and damaging the machine. Now we'll turn on the machine, giving it time to reach its set temperature. For more details, you can visit our website at lenexamc.com or call us at 913-378-3800.